Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shweta. I know I started a series of my top 10 makeup products, but I couldn't. I took a break because of this COVID situation, and I thought to record a video today, so I'm back. And in today's video we are going to talk about my top favorite blushes, and I have categorized into my powder blushes and liquid blushes. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I have categorized my favorite blushes from low to high, and in this whole series you can narrow down your choices of blushes. Basically I have not just dumped all those products which all influencers are showing that try this blush or that, but I have categorized, or you can say segregated whole different kind of blushes which I guess nobody is showing. So yeah, I'll start with this Wet n Wild color icon. This is in shade Rose Nacre, Pearl Scent Pink. Look like this, and I got it from Nykaa for rupees 3.99. Contains 4 grams of product and looks really beautiful. It's very pigmented. So as you can see, it look like this. So Wet n Wild is having different range of you can say makeup products, and I'm sure a lot of you have listened about it, heard about it, but the whole range of blushes they have, I have seen there's a packaging of like 3 blushes which have different kind of colors. So Wet n Wild particular makeup brand is growing, and I can see it's a very promising one. So yeah, you can try for it. Okay, so my second favorite blush, I guess you guys have guessed it, and that is from Sugar Cosmetics. I have like 2 palettes, and this is having like highlighter and bronzer too, and this is just the medium blush. They don't have much range in blushes these days. They have like I guess 3 or 4 colors only, but look at this color. This is really beautiful. You may not guess it from this like whole palette, but when you apply it on face, it looks really beautiful, like very natural finish it gives me. This color is peach, and I bought it from the Sugar website, and I guess it's for rupees 3.99. Yeah, and in this palette, as you can see, there are 3 beautiful different colors. So this right one, this is the darkest shade they have, but it looks really beautiful if you're going for an occasion, party, function. So you can try this one, or you want to have a very natural finish, just like office going, then you can try this one. It looks really beautiful from inside. So yeah, you can try these colors. Okay, so this product came to me as a surprise. This I haven't bought it. My friend has gifted me on New Year, and this is basically from Nykaa itself. Look like this. This is I guess the shade Brazilian Bombshell in the shade 01. So if you can see, there are 2 beautiful different colors, and this is the darkest one. This is kind of highlighting, having shimmer shades. But if you guys will try, it looks really beautiful, and the texture is so natural. It looks amazing on your cheeks. So Nykaa has came with like I guess 3 or 4 different shades of blushes, and this is the first product of Nykaa I have bought it and applied, and I guess it's worth it. This is from Nykaa website only, and I guess the price is like 5.99ish range. So yeah, you can try it. It looks, these are the one of the blushes which like you can get like 2 combos. So I guess this is worth it. Okay, so my next favorite blush. So I actually surf a lot internet like Facebook, Instagram, and a lot of it, and I get so many suggestions for makeup products only. So recently I was surfing and I got suggestion for My Glam product, and oh my god, I have checked this color from the My Glam, and it was like 6.99 rupees. They had some offers, so I got like something cheap in 500ish. But this looks amazing, guys. Currently I'm wearing this color only. If you can see, it's a very amazing color. This is in peach blush, and they have different kind of colors in this range, in this blush range, and The texture is really nice. This is in powder form, and the color, oh my god, it looks so cute on face. Little bit orangish, peachy shade, and if you like hitting summer, so I guess this is the perfect shade, so go for it. Okay, so we are talking about makeup brands, and how can we forget about Maybelline? That's one of my favorite brands, and I try to narrow down my makeup products choices, because these days if you're going to buy any kind of like blushes, they give you like 800 kind of amount, and I don't think so that is worth it, like for just one small Chutusa palette. So yeah, I try those kind of palettes which have different shades and from which I can get maximum benefit. So I bought this palette. This is from Maybelline Master Blush. They have color and highlight kit, this is. But guys, this is amazing. They have like kind of 4 shades, if you can see. 4 different shades. This is kind of wine shade, this is rose pink, and this is some kind of peachy shade. This is a highlighting kind of shade, but then if you just apply over your blush, it looks sprinkling sparkles kind of shade it gives you. It's not exactly the highlighting kind, but it looks amazing, guys. I bought it from Nykaa, and I bought it over some sale. I got it like of rupees 549. The exact amount is like of rupees 899, and it contains like 4 different colors. So I love this palette, and it's a must try palette if you are a beginner and if you want a palette in which you can get different kind of blushes. So I guess this is the one, or the Nykaa's one. They have like amazing colors and range in that 500 kind of amount. So yeah, this is a must try. Go for it, guys. Okay, so the last blush would be MAC blush, and this is in the shade Desert Rose. I bought it from Nykaa in rupees 2300. This is a powder blush. So do I need to say anything about this blush? This is the most famous blushes of all makeup, you can say, gurus. And this is the one of the favorite blush. This is so costly. I secure it for like favorite functions or shadi or something like that, or big events. But this is amazing, guys. So you must try these powder blushes and let me know in the comment section. Okay, so as I said, I am going to talk about liquid blushes as well. So I'll start with the first liquid blush would be this from Face Shop, and this is Water Fit Tint. This is for lip tint as well, and this is a blush as well. This is so beautiful, guys. Look like this, and it's so easy to spread on your skin and just smudge it on your skin. It's really beautiful, and it gives you that natural cheeky fleshy kind of texture on your skin. So I guess this is a must have for you, like if you're going for a summer and you don't like to wear much makeup, and you can apply it over your sunscreen. It looks amazing. And I'll end this whole blush video with my 2 favorite lipstick which work as blush as well. This is Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color, and this is the L'Oreal Paris Rogue Signature in the shade 141 Discovered. Both are great lipsticks, and they both are cheek tint as well. They work both like cheek tint, and they are super amazing. So whenever I don't feel like to apply much makeup, I just apply my moisturizer and just cover it up with these blushes tints, and look amazing, guys. It gives that natural cheeky fleshy kind of texture on my skin. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Hope you have liked and enjoyed my video. I'm going to provide all the links in the description box. Do let me know in the comment section which is your favorite blush or not. And yeah, let's meet into the next one. Bye bye.